While we're waiting for our vegetable stock to come to a boil, we're going to turn our back burner on to about 8. And then we're going to measure out a tablespoon of oil in our large pot. While we're waiting for that oil to heat up, we're going to take half of a red pepper and just cut along the bottom here, and then we'll cut that in half to open it. We'll pull out any seeds that we find. And then we'll just dice this pepper into small pieces. Once the pepper is cut, we will cut our tomato. So we'll cut the top off, and again we can cut a triangle right around our core. So that part we don't want to eat, but this part is perfectly fine. We'll dice our tomato. And now what we're going to do is we're going to toast our rice.